You think you know your own body? You live in it every day, yet it hides secrets that will blow your mind. A sneeze that races faster than a cheetah. A bone that laughs at concrete. A pair of lungs that could cover a tennis court. And saliva, enough to fill a bathtub twice a year. Today, we are uncovering 5 incredible facts about the human body that you probably never knew. Secret number 1. Your sneeze is faster than a cheetah. When you sneeze, air rushes out of your nose and mouth at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That is 160 kilometers per hour. A cheetah, the fastest land animal, tops out at about 70 miles per hour. So your sneeze is actually faster than a cheetah. The force of a sneeze can propel tiny droplets up to 30 feet away. That is about 3 car lengths. That is why covering your mouth is so important. The speed and distance of a sneeze are designed to clear irritants from your nasal passages. But it also makes sneezes one of the most effective ways for viruses like the flu to spread. If you sneeze in a room, the droplets can remain suspended in the air for minutes. Your body's reflex is powerful, but it also comes with responsibility. Sneeze into your elbow, not your hand. Your hand will then touch everything. Scientists have used high-speed cameras to capture the explosion of a sneeze. The cloud of droplets looks like a miniature galaxy expanding. Some droplets are so small they can stay airborne for up to 10 minutes, traveling through ventilation systems and infecting others. That is why, during flu season, one sneeze in a crowded elevator can affect dozens of people. The sneeze reflex is triggered by the trigeminal nerve, which detects irritants in the nasal lining. Your brain then coordinates a massive contraction of your chest and diaphragm muscles. The pressure in your lungs rises to about 2.5 times atmospheric pressure. When you open your mouth, all that air escapes in a violent burst. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, aim for your elbow. You could be saving someone's life. Secret number 2. Your body produces over a liter of saliva every day. Saliva might seem boring, but it is a miracle fluid. Your salivary glands produce between 1 and 1.5 liters of saliva daily. That is enough to fill a large soda bottle. Over a year, that adds up to about 400 liters, enough to fill a bathtub twice. Saliva is not just water. It contains enzymes that start breaking down starches before food even reaches your stomach. The main enzyme is amylase, which begins the digestion of carbohydrates. Without amylase, you would have a much harder time digesting bread, pasta, and potatoes. Saliva also contains lysozyme, an antibacterial enzyme that kills bacteria in your mouth. It helps protect your teeth from cavities and your gums from infection. Saliva even neutralizes acids produced by plaque, reducing the risk of enamel erosion. Without saliva, your mouth would be a breeding ground for harmful microbes. People with dry mouth syndrome, xerostomia, suffer from increased tooth decay, bad breath, and difficulty swallowing. Saliva also helps you taste food. Flavor molecules must dissolve in saliva before they can reach your taste buds. If your mouth is dry, food tastes bland. In addition, saliva lubricates your mouth, making it possible to speak clearly and swallow comfortably. The production of saliva is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. When you see, smell, or even think about food, your salivary glands start working. That is why your mouth waters before a meal. Saliva also plays a role in wound healing. It contains growth factors that speed up the healing of minor cuts inside your mouth. So the next time you accidentally bite your cheek, your saliva goes to work repairing the damage. So next time you spit, remember you are wasting a superpowered liquid that your body worked hard to produce. Appreciate your spit, it is a liquid miracle. Secret number 3.
What?
Your femur is stronger than concrete. The femur, or thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in your body. It can withstand up to 30 times your body weight. For a 150-pound person, that means the femur can support 4,500 pounds. Concrete, by comparison, has a compressive strength of about 4,000 pounds per square inch. The femur is not just strong, it is light and flexible. It can bend a little before breaking. That combination of strength and flexibility is why athletes can jump and run without shattering their legs. The femur is also one of the most common bones used in forensic identification because it retains DNA and structural integrity long after death. The femur is shaped like a hollow tube. This design gives it maximum strength with minimum weight. The outer layer is dense cortical bone, while the inner part is spongy trabecular bone. This spongy bone acts as a shock absorber. If your femur were solid, it would be too heavy and more likely to crack. The hollow design is the same principle used in skyscrapers and airplane wings. It is nature's engineering at its finest. The femur also has a unique blood supply. A network of arteries and veins runs through the bone, providing nutrients and oxygen to living cells. If the blood supply is cut off, as in a fracture, the bone can die, a condition called osteonecrosis. That is why doctors operate quickly on femur fractures. Remarkably, the femur can heal itself if properly aligned. New bone tissue grows across the fracture site, eventually restoring strength. This healing process takes months, but it is a testament to the regenerative power of your body. The femur also plays a role in producing blood cells. The bone marrow inside the femur produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. So your thigh bone is not just a support beam, it is a blood factory. Without it, you would have no immunity, no oxygen transport, and no clotting. So stand up and give thanks to your femurs. They are carrying you through life. Secret number 4. You blink about 1,200 times every hour. The average person blinks between 15 and 20 times per minute. That works out to about 1,200 times per hour, or nearly 20,000 times per day. Each blink lasts only 1/10 of a second, so you spend about 30 minutes a day with your eyes closed, all from blinking. Blinking serves 2 critical purposes. It spreads tears across your eye to keep it moist, and it gives your brain a micro break from visual input. Studies have shown that when you are concentrating hard, you blink less, which can lead to dry eyes and fatigue. So remember to blink, your eyes will thank you. The tear film is a complex mixture of water, oil, and mucus. The oil layer prevents evaporation, the water layer provides moisture, and the mucus layer helps the tears stick to the eye. Each blink spreads this film evenly over the cornea, keeping it smooth and clear. If you stop blinking, your cornea would dry out and become cloudy. That is why people with certain neurological disorders who cannot blink need artificial tears constantly. Blinking also helps remove dust and debris from the surface of your eye. The blink reflex is so fast that it is automatic. You do not think about blinking, it just happens. But you can override it if you concentrate. Try to stare without blinking. You will feel the urge after a few seconds. That is your cornea sending distress signals to your brain. The world record for not blinking is just over 40 minutes, achieved by a man who trained his muscles to resist the urge. But it is not recommended. It can damage the cornea. Blinking also plays a role in social communication. Prolonged eye contact without blinking can signal aggression or intimacy. In some cultures, blinking patterns convey different meanings. So next time you blink, remember you are not just moistening your eyes, you are participating in a complex biological and social dance. Secret number 5. The surface area of your lungs is the size of a tennis court. If you took all the tiny air sacs, alveoli, in your lungs and spread them flat, they would cover an area of about 70 to 100 square meters. That is roughly the size of a doubles tennis court. This enormous surface area allows your lungs to absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide with incredible efficiency. Every breath you take, millions of alveoli expand and contract. The total number of alveoli in a healthy adult is around 300 million. If you reduce the surface area, you would suffocate. That is why lung diseases like emphysema are so dangerous. They destroy those delicate air sacs. So take a deep breath and appreciate the engineering inside your chest. The alveoli are surrounded by a dense network of capillaries. The walls are only 1 cell thick, allowing oxygen and carbon dioxide to pass through easily. In fact, the barrier between the air in your lungs and your blood is only about 0.5 micrometers thick. That is 500 times thinner than a human hair. This is where gas exchange happens. Oxygen diffuses into your blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out. Each red blood cell picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide in less than a second. The lungs also filter out small blood clots and clean your blood of carbon dioxide. They also help regulate your body's pH by controlling the amount of carbon dioxide you exhale. If you breathe too fast, you expel too much carbon dioxide and your blood becomes too alkaline. If you breathe too slowly, carbon dioxide builds up and your blood becomes too acidic. So your lungs are not just for breathing, they are critical for maintaining your body's chemical balance. The lungs also have a remarkable ability to heal themselves. The cells that line the airways, epithelial cells, can regenerate after injury. However, smoking or chronic irritation can overwhelm this repair system, leading to lung disease. So take care of your lungs. They are the only ones you have. And the next time you take a deep breath, remember that the air you are inhaling is spreading across a surface as big as a tennis court. That is the power of evolution. These 5 mind-blowing facts about your body remind us that we are walking wonders. A sneeze faster than a cheetah, enough saliva to fill a bathtub twice a year, a thigh bone stronger than concrete, blinking 20,000 times a day, and lungs with the surface area of a tennis court. You are a living marvel and you barely know yourself. So next time you sneeze, blink, or take a breath, appreciate the incredible machine that is your body. Share these facts with someone. They will be amazed. And remember, science is everywhere, even inside you. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Check out my Ko-Fi page for ebooks and more. And follow me on X at ScienceSnack for daily science facts. Thanks for watching. ScienceSnack out.